Well, hello there, YouTube. It's Saturday evening, out for a ride. It's been a warm day. I think I know we were out in our pool today, just to keep cool. But anyway, I recorded a little bit last night, and I could hear the motorcycle just fine, but my voice wasn't coming out, so I'm hoping my mic's not bad. I know I'm plugged in, so we'll see if it works this time. It's kind of strange. Anyway, I recorded a little bit of a video in my garage. I got my Avon Trike tire on. It's down to the wear bars, and I got a new one in a box out in the garage. I just got to get to it. Change my oil, check the tires in the back, spin them around, grease the U-joints, and I'm ready. I should be ready to go. Gonna take off, and not going west this year. We're gonna take off and go north. We're gonna head up to Missouri, stop at Branson, maybe see a show, then go up to the Ozarks, spend a night like in a resort on the lake Ozark, and then head up to Illinois and see some family. So I'm hoping we don't run into heat. We got heat in Texas, but God, last year we took off and we went Colorado again, but we hit 109-degree temps from Lubbock all the way to Clovis, New Mexico, and it was miserable. The year before that we hit 109 coming from El Paso, and oh God, it's just absolutely horrible. There's nothing you can do. It's just absolutely horrible. Kind of sucks the fun right out of the ride. It was so bad. But anyway, hopefully we won't hit any of that this year. We'll go north, and I don't even care if we hit rain. I just don't want to hit the heat. So anyway, at a stoplight again. Bye. Well, hello there, YouTube. I pulled into this brand new development. There are no homes out here yet, so to fly my drone, and I saw a hawk on top. But when I pulled in, I saw a hawk on top of one of those it's hot, on top of one of those light poles. So I stopped and scared him away, but I actually flew way down that way too, and I saw him. Phew, man, he was dive bombing my drone. So man, I got it back as soon as I could. But you can see him in the video, how he was swooping, trying to attack. I know the hawks are known to attack drones because they think they're prey. But I'll get back on the computer and see if I can actually see it. Darn thing, I don't like those hawks. I would try not to fly around hawks or eagles because, oop, I just saw a deer. Nope, that was a car. I saw a deer way back that way. Anyway, bye. Okay, updated my GPS for our trip. In a couple weeks. But I got another new Avon Trike tire. I still got, well, I'm down to the wear bars. You can see I'm down to the wear bars on that thing. So I'm gonna probably, I'm definitely going to change that out before we go on our trip. Oh, but there's the good tread. So I'll have to take off that. I'll take off that front wheel, take it to the shop that I take it to, and they charge me $20 to put the new wheel on, and I'll take them some Dyna beads and to throw in there, 2 ounces of Dyna beads to throw in there. But getting ready to go. I got it. Oh, I gotta change the oil before I go. Check all the fluids. I should be fine. Clean it up a little bit. But I got the new trip into the GPS, so just got to go through this thing, look at the tires, and spin the tires, grease the U-joints, put the new tire on, change the oil, do all that stuff that I normally do to get ready. Anyway, bye.